Koli as your wedded wife?
I do.
Koli, do you take Raji as your wedded husband?
I do.
You may proceed.
Action.
Hello.
Oh, hi. What could I do for you?
Could I buy a sari?
Oh, sure. I was just making one.
Oh, that one's very pretty.
Oh, thank you.
I'll buy it for 10,000 rupees.
10,000? No, that's too much. 6,000.
I insist.
Okay, fine. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you.
Well, it's time to go to bed now.
No, Mommy, please.
Adelaide, come on, go. Now.
Okay, Mommy.
I will not leave your house.
This is my house, my property. You need to leave. You didn't do anything to help me here.
Yes, I did.
Well, what did you do? Explain it to me.
I helped you with... I made you happy.
You did not make me happy. You didn't help my wife. You didn't help her clean or cook or anything. You just stood there and took up space and ate my food. You need to leave.
But you're my brother.
Not only are you rude, but you also left that poor 17-year-old girl in the middle of the street, a place that's dangerous for a poor little girl.
I gave her 50 rupees.
That's no excuse. That's nothing. She could barely handle herself for a week.
But
Leave!
Action.
Raji!
Yes.
Come here, please.
Okay.
Yes? I just got a letter from Tanu saying to go to Vermont and meet her there.
That's great.
I know, I'm so excited. Can I go, please?
When is it?
It's Saturday on a train, Saturday morning.
That's great. Yeah, go. And I will come with you.
Yay!
And while you're going to Tanu's place, I will go get some clothes at Mr. Das's house. Do you have a map of where it is?
Yeah, of course. Here.
Oh, thank you very much.
I'll meet you there.
Okay. So, yeah, thank you.
Le lendemain! The next day. Yes, please.
Can you open the door, please?
Yes. Here.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Lee. Heavy.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye. Well, here it
Thank
is.
you.
Thank you very much. Here. Bye. I'll meet you there.
Hi.
how's your family going?
Well, I don't have one yet. I'm still looking for the perfect man who's kind and original. But how's your family?
Oh, I married Raji and I have one child, and yeah, and look, this is a picture of Raji at my wedding.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you.
Hey, you there!
What's up?
Will you kill someone for me?
What's the price?
1,000 rupees.
Yeah, it's okay.
Here's this picture.
Oh, a young lady. Okay then.
Where am I? Hello? Anybody there? Where am I? Come on. Just give up. Hello? Hi.
Hi.
Who are you?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Somebody.
Oh.
And you, who are you?
Raji.
Raji, do you want some drink?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Take this at the same time.
Thank you very much.
Don't move.
Okay.
Don't move!
Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's... Oh, you, yeah. Sorry, it's my job.
Who are you?
I'm a Superman!
Yeah, I saw that, but why do you have a sitter then?
Well, cause that's how I kill.
Oh, original, brave and original. And
High five!
oh, okay. Thank you very much. And oh, look. Raji Bantoengpratoomrad.
Is that you?
Yeah. And
He tried to kill
Sass. It's signed Sass. And here's a picture of me the day of my wedding. Sass. Sass.
Sass!
It's my wife's godmother.
I mean, where she might be? I don't know. We have to go find her.
Well, no, I don't care that. But I just want to find my wife back. What? Yeah. I have to meet her at some Tanu's house.
Oh,
And-
I have to go. I have to save people's lives. So.
But can you just
Bye.
come with me?
Okay. Okay.
Please come with me.
Okay.
Okay. Can you just take this, big guy? Let's go. Just looks good. You want some?
Yeah.
Well, let's take it.
Don't worry.
Raji!
How are you? I haven't seen you in so long. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I was talking to Daniel. But what were you doing? You were gone for so long.
Well, I was lost in the, well, I was lost and somebody, tried to kill me, but don't worry, he didn't. And,
I saved
we-
him.
yeah, and
Thank
he's
you
so brave.
So
So
charming.
brave and original. And this guy looked to be working to Miss Sass. Sass engaged him and paid him 1,000 rupees. And Sass,
There she is.
Sass! What are you doing here?
independent.
Of what? What did you do?
Nothing.
Nothing. Well, explain this. And why did you leave me in the street?
I did it for your own good.
Oh, good. What would that do? 50 rupees. Alone. Alone. Can you just imagine? If I had left you there, what would you have done?
I would have found a great life because I am independent.
So you did leave me in that street. You did do it. And how do you explain this? Have you ever seen this picture?
Oh, no, I've never seen that.
So why is it signing by your name here?
That must have been somebody else.
Really?
There are many Miss Valentine.
Oh yeah. Because I was supposed to believe you?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Oh yes, of course. But how do you know my name? Anybody other than you? Anybody in you? So let me tell you. What's his name?
Raji.
And how do you know this word? How do you know this?
I just speak with my mind.
Very funny.
Let's get her to the police.
Yes.
No, don't take me. I will have my revenge. Thanks for watching the movie.